Here's something crazy. AI just beat a human at reading emotions. Not chess, not Go, emotions. And the scariest part, most people have no idea how it works, including the people building it. I'm about to show you something. Stick with me for the next 90 seconds and you'll understand AI better than 95% of people. Right now, while you're watching this, AI is writing articles, diagnosing diseases, and even creating art that sells for millions. But here's the thing nobody talks about. AI doesn't actually think. It's doing something completely different. And once you understand what that something is, everything clicks. You've used AI at least 10 times today without realizing it. Let me prove it to you. Imagine trying to teach a toddler what a dog is. You don't give them a rule book, right? You don't say dogs have 4 legs, a tail between 6 and 18 inches, and that's impossible. Instead, you show them pictures. Dog, 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 not a dog, that's a cat. And eventually, they get it, that's AI, but instead of a toddler, it's a computer. And instead of 20 pictures, it's seeing millions. It finds patterns you and I could never spot in 1,000 lifetimes. Example, an AI looked at 300,000 chest x-rays and learned to detect pneumonia better than most doctors. Not by thinking, by pattern recognition on steroids. But here's where it gets wild. In 1956, almost 70 years ago, scientists thought we'd have human-level AI by 1970. They were so wrong that funding dried up twice. They called it the AI winter. Why? Because AI kept failing. The hype was massive, but the tech wasn't there. Computers were too slow. Data was too scarce. The math wasn't good enough. Then, 3 things happened in the 2010s that changed everything. 1. The internet for unlimited data. 2. Gaming GPUs for insane computing power. 3. Deep learning queries, breakthrough algorithms. Suddenly, AI wasn't just possible, it was unstoppable. Okay, real talk. When people say AI, they're usually talking about 3 completely different things. Let me break it down. Narrow AI. This is what exists today. Your phone's face unlock? That's narrow AI. It's amazing at one thing, recognizing your face, but ask it to play chess, it'll crash and burn. Every AI you interact with daily is narrow. General AI. This is the holy grail. An AI that can learn anything a human can. Write poetry, drive a car, have a conversation, solve math, all in one system. We don't have this yet, not even close. Super intelligence. This is movie stuff. An AI smarter than all humans combined. Could it happen? Maybe. Should we worry? Some very smart people think so. But that's part 8 of the series. For now, just know. Most AI taking over the world headlines, they're talking about narrow AI getting really good at narrow tasks, which is still insane, but different. Let me show you how deep this goes. AI is already creating Hollywood-quality videos from text descriptions, detecting cancer and medical scans faster than radiologists, driving cars through downtown traffic with 0 human input, trading stocks, making split-second decisions worth billions, generating art that won actual art competitions. And here's the part that blows my mind. Every single one of these AIs has no idea what it's doing. It doesn't know it's detecting cancer, it's just pattern matching. But the patterns it finds, they're saving lives. So why am I telling you all this? Because here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. The people who understand AI will have massive advantages in the next 10 years. Better jobs, higher salaries, the ability to build things that actually matter. 1. AI engineer, 135K, 600K plus per year. 2. Fastest growing job title globally. 3. Demand increasing 135% year over year. But here's the cool part. You don't need a PhD. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to understand how this stuff works. That's literally what this series is about. Over the next 7 videos, I'm teaching you everything, and I mean everything, how AI actually learns neural networks decoded. The tools professionals use daily, building a complete project from scratch, landing your first AI job. The dark side, bias, ethics, what could go wrong. By the end, you won't just understand AI, you'll be able to build it. Here's what I want you to do. Hit subscribe right now, not because I need it, but because you do. This series gets deeper, and you don't want to miss part 2. Next video, I'm revealing the secret technique behind every AI system. The one thing that makes machines learn. It's called machine learning. And once you get this, everything else is easy. Drop a comment. What's the craziest AI application you've seen? I read every single one. See you in 48 hours for part 2. Let's go. Oh, and one more thing.